Tariki 14 mweri wa iri oro mwaka ukoragwo ari muthenya wa gukungwira wendo thiini wa thi guku bururi-ini. Ni muthenya umwe mbere ya ukungwirio kuhanika muthenya wa rucio tugacera kundu gutiganite kuona uria mehaririria marahanika. Ruhonge rwa mikawa ni rumwe rwa ruria rutanyitwo kugetha na njira nene kumana na muthenya uyu wa Valentines, na kwa muhiano mukawa uyu wa Afrosayari mwena wa Ruai mehaririria maronekana kunyitithio thinga marangi matune na meru makirehe bisha ya Valentine na njira nene.
Waigira first of all ni uraheo bouquet of flowers ni our ushers kuma waheo bouquet of flowers ni uraigira hara ukaheo kinywaji kirio kwenda kwa mundu agacaini ukiheo gacai mundu wa kanyama kau kagino kuheo. For the ladies twamahe a glass of wine, for the gents no twamahe a glass of wine kana ugienda no heo watoto of your favorite choice.
Arugamiriria guku maugite muroto wao ni gutigirira mundu wothe ungenda gukungwira mundu endete ni agia na kanya hatari guthutukania kana ni mukuru kana ni munini.
Nyandu ta 300 tondu ningi wa covid tugaite gwika spacing atugeka spacing no ngirora kuma metheno ngini area ni kuona ni over 1.5 ile kumeretwo ni government.
Riri ni ryo rita ria mbere muthio gukungwirwo kumana na kuingira kwa murimo wa COVID-19 mwaka muthiru guku bururi-ini, na uguo ona mifangire thiini wa mikawa kuronekana gukorwo na ngurani na miaka iyo ingi.
Kindu kiria kia mana muno kia turaira ageni itu magiuka atukingira guku thiini no makoko na mask yaku riu tiga hare hakuriirio no ho urakiruta mask wa ikuruke nigetha gakihota ukiria no thutha uguo no makando othe makona mask ciao.
Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru mehaririria no tama ya mikawa-ini itiganite, arugamiriri a mikawa ino makiuga maricemba gukorwo makirumbuia aria makagenera na njira njega ona thengia gukorwo murimo wa COVID-19 ni ucoketie na thutha ruhonge ruru.
We want and we are prepared for the people to come and experience the love.
Kuri endia mahua guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi maugite wendia wa mahua ni ucokete na thutha mwaka uyu ukiringithanio na mwaka muhituku, magitanya muthenya wa rucio maundu ni magakorwo macenjetie.
Last year of course it was much better than this year, and of course this time of COVID these are not as good as they used to be, though we were hoping people will come to cheer up after that stress of COVID, but we also hoping tomorrow people will come to buy the flowers.
Saizi watu wangekuwa wengi hapa hata ungeshangaa. Hata ungepata nafasi ya kuja kusimama hapa kuniuliza maswali, but everything, everywhere is empty.
Akinya nao makiheana woni utiganite wigie muthi uyu wa Valentines muthenya wa rucio.
Valentines is a season to just think back and appreciate that love.
Girifotera Kameme TV, retora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.